Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. So I bought these skull formers on Amazon, and I am going to be trying them out to see. I have used curl formers for some time, but I haven't used the S-curled ones. So let's see how it goes. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, you know how we show the love here. Thanks for your support, and be sure to subscribe and share the video if you find it useful, and if you would like to know how to style your, should I say this is 4C hair? I don't know, whatever. I don't look at grades, but if you want to style your natural hair and use the good ingredients that will make your hair grow, then keep watching. Okay, so when I went to Ghana, they used an interesting thing. They used this shea mousse, and I liked how it made my hair feel. So I'm going to be using this in conjunction with some styling gel. I have this Eco Styler gel, and I do have some oils in here, and then we're going to be using my Ayurveda hair butter, which will be in my store. And I have these little spoons that I want to be going with the hair butter. When you buy it, you get one of these spoons, and I use this as a measure. So what I'm going to do is I have a little bowl here, and I am going to be using just, I think, about 2 scoops of this. Generous scoops, guys. So 2 scoops, and if I feel like I need more, I will add more later. But I think technically for my hair, this should be good, because I do not want too much butter to weigh down my hair, right? So I'm gonna close this up. I'm going to be adding in more oils. So in this oil here, I did infuse some herbs, and I poured them out into the bottle, and what is left out, since today being hair day, I decided to use it on my hair. So what I have here is sweet almond oil infused in shatavari root, and also fenugreek and clove. In that one is in grapeseed oil. So let's do the same. I'll measure like 2 spoons as well of that. Now I finally figured out how to use this atomizer, so let's go. I was using it initially like just a regular spray bottle. So in here I just have some water and a few drops of the oil, right? And what I do have here is I have this bottle here. I think it's for dyeing hair, but I will go ahead and just put that in under my scalp here. And now massage the oil into my scalp. So that's what you can do with our hair growth oil. You just put some drops. Those are going to be in droppers in a different kind of bottle. And that's also an herb infused hair growth oil, right? And then let's go. So I'm gonna start from the back, and I'm going to section my hair. And the curl formers came with this. Came with a pink comb and these clips. Okay, so I'll wet my hair one more time. I don't want to use too much gel, so this here, I love this one. It's coming in really handy. So I've taken about just a little drop from that one spoon, and I'm going to grease my hair with that. If I feel that it's too much, I will move it over. And then comes in the mousse. Since I got back from Ghana, I had braids in, so I just took them out like a week or so ago and just washed the hair today. And I'm just going to detangle the hair one more time here. Okay. So you put this on like this and snap it in. These, I find that once you snap in, now be careful because sometimes they break. So I have this on here. Then I'm going to, I have my yellow brush. I forgot how to do this. Am I doing this right? Oh, I think I have to pull it through in here like this. There you go. And then hook it on the hair like that. And pull the hair down. It wasn't too bad. Initially I thought it would not be, so I like how it is. And we're just going to continue with the rest of the section here. Now my hair is very thick, so I hope I have enough curl formers. So I guess I have 1, 2, 3. It's 30. Oh, I will need more than 30 for this big head here. So let's see. Once again, I take that, add a little bit of gel, put it together. Add the mousse. Just like 2 pumps. Make sure each hair strand is coated. And then we go from there. So since there are 30 curl formers, that means I should have about, oh, this is not going well. It's not sliding through. You want to make sure the whole hair is in there like that. And then it slices through really easy. Okay. If I don't get it all, I might have to use my other curl formers. I should have bought 2 of those. Come back when the whole hair is done. So a few hours later, we're down to 3. So the pack actually had 30 in it, and they're 30 centimeters each. And you can see, so what I did was the part where my hair was sticking out, I just twisted it. So hopefully when I unravel it, it's going to be cute. And let me tell you guys, like, this thing here is not working for me. Huh. It's just so cute, but not practical. I don't know if the oils that I have in there is what is blocking it. But anyway, yeah, I was excited to have finally found it, but oh, I think it doesn't make my hair spritzing life any better. There, and I'll leave it in. I'll let it air dry. I don't know if I can put it in my hood, but probably tomorrow. I'll let it air dry, and then we will see how it goes. We will see. I love curl formers. I've done curl former hairstyles before. If I find those pictures, I will put them in the video. And yeah, I think I'll just put on a scarf to, I'll probably put on my hairnet. Well, this works. Still allow some air to get into the curl formers. There, that's good. Like that. Or I'll just put on my sleeping cup. Yeah, and I guess it does fit it nicely. And that's it, guys. So I'll show you how it's looking like in the morning. So it's the next morning, and I will take my hairnet off. And there we have it. I'm just gonna go just drop some oil in there. Okay, are you ready to see how I already unraveled this yesterday? Let's be starting with the back. I think I have to take out the twists because the curl former was a little short for my hair. I managed to do this with 29, so there was actually one left in the bag, so that's a good thing. I thought I would need more, but then I know that usually my curl formers, when I take it out, it goes flat like a day or two, so it does stay in for some time. See, the back is exactly that length there. But I like how it's looking so far. The hair is trying to knot on me already. But anyways, we know our hair. I'm gonna nickname my hair the knotted. Oh, maybe not, because then it will be mad and keep knotting. To be mad and keep knotting away. Not even do anything to the roots. I'm just gonna get a comb and go under. I love it. I'll just take some of my oil. And I like how I parted these, so I can part it any way I want, right? I can part it right down. I usually use my eyebrow to part. This is right here, or I can part it to the side. Right? So I think this is cute, but I will leave it like this. Oh, I could, yeah, look, this is good. It's cold out, so I don't know if I should wear a toque going out, but we'll see how it does. And a little twist, I'll just give it, I don't know if it's matching. We straighten it out a little. But yeah, it's just a style, you know. Who cares? So that's it, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Until we meet in the next one, stay blessed and be sure to check out my other videos out there. Ciao!